I'm sorry that I didn't get to do the whole thing because my computer was dead, so we had to charge it to do it. But I can still tell you what the stuff we had it. We had it some flour, water, salt, and a little bit of baking powder. Now I'm going to still do the thing. With the water. After I'm done mixing, I pour it in here and then I put it into the oven. After that, I will come and do it again. And I will come and show you. Okay, now I'm going to put this in here and then wait for a little bit. After it grows a little, we put it in the oven and then I'll show you it with my mom and cousin.